KIDSVENTURE-TV. Fruits flashcards. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Cherry, cherry. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Elderberry, elderberry. Fig, fig. Grapes, grapes. Honeycrisp apple, honeycrisp apple. Indian fig, Indian fig. Jackfruit, jackfruit. Kiwi, kiwi. Lychee, lychee. Mango, mango. Noni, noni. Orange, orange. Pineapple, pineapple. Quince, quince. Raspberry, raspberry. Strawberry, strawberry. Tomato, tomato. Ugly fruit, ugly fruit. Viburnum berry, viburnum berry. Watermelon, watermelon. Sanguinea, sanguinea. Yellow passion fruit, yellow passion fruit. Sisyphus, sisyphus. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe the channel.